Hey, what's up guys, welcome back, you're watching Money's Best, and in this video I've got this interesting tool that I thought would be very useful and should definitely make way in everybody's tool sets, like DIY tools kind of armory that you've got. We do on and off use a number of tools, and we do want our tools to be very versatile, so we've got less number of tools to manage or carry. Also at the same time, we don't want the price to go through the roof. You want something that's cheap and does the job as well. Now here's one such tool that we think is very well worth the price that it's offered at. This is the Parkside staple gun set, and do you know how much it's priced at? It's £4.99. Some of the staple gun sets are quite expensive, in the range of 20 quid, 50 quid, even 70, 80 quid, even more expensive than that. This one just does the job. If you've got a sofa set or if you've got your like dining chairs and things, this is perfect for that. This is apt for that. And it's got 3 separate types of staple inserts that you could use to accommodate a variety of jobs. It's got the usual standard staple, and then there's the U-shape, and then the nail, the typical nail, which can be inserted in and can be used. So as you can see in the description, it's for stapling a variety of materials, including fabric, wallpaper, wood, and so on. And it's got this non-slip handle, integrated staple slide, safety clip, and with that you get 2 sets of staples. This is kind of the standard one that is general stapler, but it's kind of broad with the sizing about 508mm. That's kind of the normal standard staple. And then there's the 500 of 12mm, that's the U-shape, and then the nail, that's about 500 of 10mm each. Now looking at the staple itself, it's quite nice, rugged, nice metal design, very nice and sturdy, solid build. This is built in Germany. Normally German products are very finely built and nice and strong, and they do last pretty long as well. The design itself is quite impressive. It's got this comfortable non-slip handle, which makes it easy to use for extended periods. The gun is also quite lightweight and compact, making it easy to handle and maneuver. In terms of performance, the Parkside staple gun does not disappoint at all. Users have praised it for its reliability and efficiency. It's been described as a handy tool, very reliable and trustworthy nailer or stapler. It's also worth noting that it has an adjustable impact setting, allowing it to control the force of the staple depending on the material you're working with. And this is kind of the back side. The roll at the back is for pressure, so you can increase or decrease the pressure at which the staple should work. It's kind of the hanger over here, which can be used to hang in your kind of tool sets, and if you've got like the wall hangers where this can be used. Although the box is quite flimsy, it's not so strong, and you probably wouldn't expect more than what you get for the 5 quid. And yeah, over here inside you've got this rubber grip. It sort of helps you to grip the staple gun properly. It doesn't go away, although it can be taken out. In our opinion, this should probably be stuck inside and like enforced inside, because why would you take this rubber grip out ever? It's kind of meant to be there. And let's quickly have a look at the inside. So the back side is essentially the flip that you take out, and you insert the staple in there on the inside and then push the staple in, whether it's the nail or it's like kind of the U-shape or the standard staple. You just push it in using this long handle which pushes that in, and it's got a spring in there, so that kind of pushes the next staple to the front of the staple head. When you fire your first staple, that goes off and makes way for the new staple to come in through the spring that pushes the staple to the front. It's kind of a standard method, right? Pretty much the same as office staplers. If you're building something like a cupboard or things like that, it sort of works perfectly fine with those types of DIY jobs. Pretty standard, pretty simple, this specific item. Parkside staple gun set, just about 5 quid, or £4.99 if you like. Very simple and very usable as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Do like this video, share this video, and subscribe to Money's Best. Take care and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.